Hello and thank you for tuning into this episode. So I am now currently at Herdla, just outside Bergen. This is the first time I'm here this year. It's the middle of March. And the plan today is going to be the same as my previous episode when I was at Herdla, but now just with different gear. So I have along the OM system, the 150-400 and the OM-1 camera. So my plan today is to see what type of migrating birds that has arrived to Herdla, try to photograph them and do some video of them, and yeah, just hope for the best. I can already see a whole flock of oyster catchers has come. You can probably hear it. It's a little bit windy, so I'm not sure if you can pick it up. But yeah, the weather conditions are totally blue skies, a little bit of wind, but there's almost no people here, which is good. My plan is also to be here during sunset in hopes of getting some nice color while capture some amazing pictures of birds. So yeah, I hope you stay tuned and enjoy this episode. So yeah, the sun is setting or has already gone down behind the horizon. So the ISO is going way up, so I am thinking of calling it a day. But yeah, I've been a little bit lucky today. I've got several different types of birds. I've got the sandpiper, the lapwing, some kind of pipit. So yeah, it's been quite a success. But all the way up till almost the end of the sunset, I didn't have any good pictures, especially of the sandpiper. That was the one I really hoped to get pictures of today. So what I did, I found a spot along the beach. I just laid down, crossed my fingers that they will arrive to this area where I was laying for at least 20 minutes. Not that long, but around 20 minutes. And what happened is that they actually arrived. So it was 3 of them that came just during the light of the sunset. So I did manage to get some video, some pictures. I got pictures with the regular zoom, the 1.4 teleconverter and the 2x teleconverter. So I think I'm gonna show you the pictures where I go from 800 all the way up to 2000, so you can see how far in you can zoom with this lens and the teleconverters. So that was quite fun. Sometimes when you're patient it really pays off, sometimes it doesn't. But this time I think it did. I'm quite happy with today's trip. And right now I'm all alone in this area. So I think that's it for this episode. So I hope you enjoy the last pictures and videos I'm gonna show. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.